Hey, this is Mr. Barr. So, in some of the last videos, we've been talking a lot about decimals. And here's why decimals are important. Our money system, our monetary system uses decimals. So we're going to start applying our knowledge of decimals to problems that involve money. So that's an important thing, because you've got to be able to deal with money. All right, so here's our first one. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on this guy. There we go. A 24-pack of markers costs $8.59 at the office supply store, and a 12-pack costs $46. How much less does the smaller pack cost? Less. How much less? So what kind of math is a less? Well, I think a less indicates a subtraction, right? Less equals subtract. So let's do a subtraction. I'm going to subtract 546 from 859. So 859 minus 546. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. There we go. So $3.13. That's how much less the 12-pack costs than the 24-pack. There we go. And that's real math. You're going to do that. You go shopping for something and think, oh, how much less is this item than that item? This is real math. Mrs. Maldonado decided to buy dress shirts for her two sons. She bought her older son a blue shirt for $8.57, and she bought her younger son a white shirt for $9.97. How much did she spend in all? In all. That's kind of the buzzword for this one. In all. Kind of means what? Is that the same thing as a total? In all. Total. What math is that? That's adding. So let's add these numbers together. You know, those are pretty good prices on shirts. $8.57 and $9.94. We'll add those two together. 7 plus 4 is 11, so that's my 1. 9, let's see, this is 5, 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. There's my decimal. And this is 9 plus 9, which is 18. So $18.51. She spent $18.51. And speaking of t-shirts, do you notice I'm wearing a t-shirt today? And it has words on it? Let's read my t-shirt. This isn't a normal teaching day. There's almost no one on campus. That's why I'm wearing a t-shirt. Here it is. Ready? Which way do I have to turn to make it? There it is. There. No, here. There. I must be missing something. There it is. There are 3 kinds of people in the world. Those who are good at math and those who aren't. Is it funny? Do you get it? Okay. Here's our next problem. I need to wear my binary shirt. The binary joke is there are 10 types of people in the world. Those who get binary and those that don't. 10 types. Yeah, okay. I'll wear the t-shirt sometime. I like that joke. Okay, here we go. Lamont bought 3 picnic baskets. Each picnic basket cost $39.46. How much money did Lamont spend? He bought 3 at $39.46. What are you thinking? We have 2 options here. I could go $39.46 plus $39.46 plus $39.46, addition. Or I could go 3 times $39.46, and that's what I'm going to do. $39.46 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. There's my decimal. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So in total, he spent $118.38. Toby buys 3 alarm clocks for $45.39. The clocks all have the same price. What is the price of each clock? I think this problem is a little bit poorly written. Toby buys 3 alarm clocks for a total of $45.39. So that's his final bill when he's checking out at the store. So this is a division problem. I want to know how much each clock costs. Right? So the approximate, it's going to be what, about $15 per clock, something like that. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtracting gives me a 1, bringing down the 5. Puts it into a 15. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtracting gives me a 0. Bringing down the 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtracting gives me a 0. Bringing down the 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So the total was $15.13 per clock. See, this is some useful math. This is good stuff. See? Decimals in action. Man, that could be like a TV show. Decimals in action. Okay. That's it. Stay tuned for the next video.